So here we have got a letter to the editor, right? So the topic can be anything. Based on that, I have just written a small topic, okay, to boost a handmade handloom. Address, your name, and everything will be mentioned on the question. So whatever the address and the name will be mentioned in that question, based on that, you have to write down your name, right, over here. And based on that, what the thing you will mention it out कि कहाँ का है. तो address is not mentioned, so I have taken just a normal address. If it is mentioned over there कि New Delhi of this street, so we will mention that only. And because we are of that area, so we will mention the same, वही same address of that editor one we will mention it out, right? Because we have to boost, we have to make it a popularized one of our area only ना. Why we will be concerning about others? ठीक है. So this will be the address over here of our address, sender's address. Then leaving a line we will mention out date. Then again the editor one. This again will be mentioned over there. Times of India, the Hindu, Hindustan Times, whatever it is. If not mentioned, we will pick out any one of the editor one and we will just write it down that. Then subject, then the salutation, respected sir and ma'am. If it is mentioned, a sir, to sir. If nothing, sir and ma'am both. And then we will be starting it like this. I, your name, is a regular reader of your newspaper and a resident of this colony. I would like to bring your attention to the lack of visitors visiting the ongoing crafts mela and to give boost to the handmade handloom products. So basically ये जो लेटर है वो क्या है कि पूरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया से एक हैंडलूम मेला लग रहा है जहाँ पे जो विजिटर हैं वो काफ़ी कम आ रहे हैं, उसके रिगार्डिंग की ताकि ये आर्टिकल पढ़े और लोग वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पहुँच सके, ताकि वहाँ के जो क्राफ्ट्समैन हैं जो वहाँ मेला लगा रहे हैं उनको ज़्यादा बूस्टअप मिले, मोटिवेटेड फील हों और वो उस चीज़ को अपकमिंग ईयर्स में कर पाएँ. Because ultimately the money matters, right? Over here also the money will be there and they will it should be not like that कि the people should visit and not buy anything. Though a little bit sufficient amount of money at least they need to survive and to live over there. And again it is what this is a major concern that lack of visitors demotivates the craftsman of our area, state India. Again these things will be mentioned over here कि आप किस एरिया के हैं और क्या है वो, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप ये चेंज कर सकते हैं. अगर सिर्फ आपका एरिया का बात करेगा तो एरिया, स्टेट का बात होगा तो स्टेट, इंडिया का बात होगा तो इंडिया. The Craftsman Mela displays visitor of handmade products and it shows the diversity of craftsmen. Craftsman मेला क्या है, तो बहुत सारा डाइवर्सिटी दिखाता है कि बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं यहाँ पे आके बहुत सारा चीज़ यहाँ पे कर पा रहे हैं. It is very vital that we support this indigenous art and craft by visiting the mela and buying the items that will motivate the craftsmen to display display this mela with great happiness. The turnout of visitor will surely flourish